Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete trigonometric formulas using in class 10 and 11. And now the first main formula that are using in the trigonometry is applying of Pythagoras theorem for a given right angle triangle. We know that Pythagoras is nothing but hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square, that is opposite side and adjacent side. In a given, for this let us take a right angle triangle. Here it is the right angle triangle at B. ABC is the right angle triangle. It is here angle is at A, and now this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. And the main formula that is used in the trigonometry is Pythagoras theorem. And now the trigonometric formulas, let us see. In the trigonometry, we have sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. These six are the mainly used in trigonometry. And now here sine is nothing but, now for this right angle triangle, here let us take the angle as A, sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A and cosecant A. And now for sin A, the formula is opposite by hypotenuse, and cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse, and for tan A, opposite side by adjacent side. For cot, reverse of tan, that is adjacent by opposite. And for secant, hypotenuse by adjacent. And similarly for cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite, reverse of, that is multiplicative inverse of sine. And these are the formulas. And then now let us see the reciprocal relation between the trigonometric ratios. And here the first one is tan A. Here from 6 trigonometric ratios we are going to see them. That is tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. And the next one is cot A is nothing but cos A by sin A. And third one, cosecant A is 1 by sin A. And the last one is secant A 1 by cos A. And these are the reciprocal relation of trigonometric ratios. And now let us see the trigonometric sine functions. The trigonometric sine function is nothing but, here sine is either positive or negative. Now let us see the trigonometric sine functions for the ratios, that is sine of minus theta. Here we have negative. For sine we will get negative. For cos, that is cos of minus theta is cos theta. We will not get the negative sign. And for tan of minus theta, minus of tan theta. And cosecant minus theta, minus cosecant theta. Secant minus theta is secant theta. Here also similarly for cos we will not get the negative sign. And for cot minus theta we will get minus cot theta. These are the trigonometric sine functions. And now let us see the trigonometric identities. Here is the trigonometric identities, that is we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. And similarly, tan square A plus 1 equals to secant square A. That is secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1. And the next one is cot square A plus 1 equals to cosecant square A. And by using these three identities, we can find cos square A formula, sin square A formula, tan square A, secant square A, cot square A and cosecant square A. And these are the trigonometric identities. And now let us see the periodic identities for these trigonometric ratios. Here in periodic identities, we know that period is nothing but 2 pi. Now let us see some formulas based on these periodic identities. That is sin 2n pi plus theta is nothing but sin theta. Similarly, cos 2n pi plus theta is nothing but cos theta. Tan 2n pi plus theta is nothing but tan theta. And similarly for all of them, same. For cot 2n pi plus theta is cot theta. Secant 2n pi plus theta is secant theta. And finally cosecant 2n pi plus theta is cosecant theta. And these are the periodic identities. And now let us see the complementary ratios for 4 quadrants. That is here complementary ratios. Here let us draw the 4 quadrants. That is here 0, 90, 180, 270 and finally 360 degrees. That is 2 pi. By using these 4 quadrants, we can find the trigonometric ratios. And now let us see complementary ratios for this first quadrant. In the first quadrant, this is first, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant is nothing but 0 to 90 degrees. Second quadrant 90 to 180 and third 180 to 270 and finally 270 to 360 is fourth quadrant. And now in the first quadrant, the formulas for trigonometric ratios, that is sin pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Pi by 2 is nothing but pi is 180 degrees and pi by 2 is 90. Similarly, cos pi by 2 minus theta sin theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta and cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta. For secant, cosecant theta and finally cosecant pi by 2 minus theta is secant theta. And this is about the first quadrant. And now let us see for second quadrant. That is in second quadrant from 90 to 180 degrees. That is here we will have 180 degrees. And now sin pi minus theta is, pi is nothing but 180 sin theta. And cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Because here in the quadrants, that is here in this from 0 to 90 degrees, any angle is positive, and in the second quadrant sine and cosecant both are positive and other trigonometric ratios are negative. And similarly in the third quadrant tan and cot are positive, and finally in the fourth quadrant secant and cos, these two are positive and other are negative. And according to that, here in the second quadrant cos is negative, so here minus cos theta. And now tan pi minus theta is also negative, minus tan theta. Cot pi minus theta is minus cot theta. Secant pi minus theta is minus secant theta, and cosecant pi minus theta is cosecant theta, because in the second quadrant cosecant is positive. And now let us see for third quadrant. Here for third quadrant we already know that tan and cot is positive and other ratios are negative, that is sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta. Similarly cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Secant pi plus theta, and finally cosecant pi plus theta. Here in the third quadrant both tan and cot are positive, so tan theta, and here cot theta, and other are negative, minus secant theta, minus cosecant theta, and minus cos theta. And this is about the third quadrant. Now let us see for fourth quadrant. And in quadrant 4, that is only secant and cos is positive, that is sin 2 pi minus theta, cos 2 pi minus theta, tan 2 pi minus theta, cot 2 pi minus theta, secant and cosecant 2 pi minus theta. And here in this only secant and cos are positive, so cos theta, secant theta. And here other ratios are minus, so minus sin theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta, and minus cosecant theta. And this is about the four quadrants formulas. And now let us see the sum and difference between the angles. And here is the formulas, that is for sum and difference between the angles. Here in the right angle triangle we will have three angles, and for the angles let us see for difference and sum, that is sin of a plus b. Formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And now difference sin a minus b equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And for cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. We should compulsory recognize all these formulas while doing the trigonometry problems. Cos of a minus b equals to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And now tan of a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, and this is for tan negative, that is tan a minus b equals to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b, and these are the sum and difference between the angles formulas. And now let us see for double angle formulas. And here double angle formulas is nothing but sin 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. Sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a, that equals to 2 tan a plus 1 plus tan square a. This also can be written. And now for cos 2a is nothing but cos square a minus sin square a, and also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a, that equals to 2 cos square a minus 1, and finally 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. And these four are the formulas for double angle of cos, that is cos 2a. And now for tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, and this is the formula for double angle in tan, that is tan 2a. And now let us see for thrice angles, that is thrice of angle formulas. Here thrice angle formulas is nothing but sin 3a, cos 3a and tan 3a. Sin 3a is nothing but 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and cos 3a is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and finally tan 3a is nothing but 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. These are the thrice angle formulas for sin, cos and tan. And now let us see some additional formulas for sum and product of angles, that is, let us see cos a plus b into cos a minus b, that is equals to cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a, and this is for cos a plus b into cos a minus b, and similarly for sin a plus b into sin a minus b, that is sin square a minus sin square b, or cos square a and cos square b, that is cos square b minus cos square a. And now for sin a plus sin b, that equals to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2, and these are the additional formulas for sum and product of angles. And these are the basic formulas that are used in class 10 and intermediate and we should completely recognize all these formulas while doing the trigonometry problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.